Please no. I don't want to die.
Jonathan will pay for my friend's death. I'll be killing off all his friends till he learns, ha 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 ha. That's what begets after killing Deadpool.
Spooky, I think we're going to have to break up.
I knew it, Deadpool. I hate you. I'm leaving.
Slimemonster, what are you doing here and why did you come through my window?
I'm here to kill you for lying to me and making jokes about me.
Not did I kill you first.
Or. Nice shot, but that's not enough.
What are you gonna do about it?
This. Rest in peace, Deadpool.
It's been 3 months since Deadpool's death. His girlfriend Spooky has been recently found dead and we all speculate it's the same person who killed Deadpool. Jonathan.
Looks like he still hasn't learned. I'm going to kill his brother, Roblox Angel.
I'm back home, Angel.
Yes, I'm here.
What happened to you?
It was just an experiment. It's able to turn people into monsters. Slime monsters.
That sounds dangerous. Be careful with that.
I will.
You like that, huh? Don't move or I'll kill you. I'm here to take Angel.
No, you won't. Not without a fight.
Okay.
It's like you didn't have a good landing.
I wasn't supposed to. I was just here for revenge.
Too late.
You thought it was going to work. Now you die. That was easy. Now his brother Angel. Where are you, Angel?
Right behind you.
You thought it was going to work. Now you will die. Weak.
Angel. Angel, are you okay? Somebody help. Call 911.
Oh Jonathan. What happened?
Angel. You're awake. Well, you fell out of the building, I think, fighting Sniper.
Sniper is too powerful. I have an idea, but you have to be careful. Remember how I told you about my machine? 12 It might give us a chance in beating him, but put the power on medium.
Okay.
Medium. Remember.
You can't hide from me.
Okay. Here we go.
Medium power. Malfunctioning. Extreme power.
Or, I will kill Sniper. Angel, you can't hide from me, ha 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 ha. Where is he? What was that sound? No one can stop me. What happened? The hospital got exploded. Where's Angel? Oh no, not again. You can't run from me, Sniper. What's happening? What's causing those explosions?
I am. And I will kill you. I'll tear you apart.
Oh shit, I'm screwed.
Weak.
Oh. What just happened? Where am I? Why is it so dark and foggy? Where's that lightning coming from? Wait a minute.
Sniper.
Wait. Jonathan.
There's no more Jonathan. Only Slimemonster. Now leave or I'll kill you too.
You left me no choice. Now you die.
Angel. Once I'm done killing you, I'll destroy the planet and kill everyone, and no one will be able to stop me.
Oh really? Bring it on.
You asked for it. Ha ha ha. Burn to death.
Take this bitch.
Oh shit.
Now I'll kill you, Jonathan. Don't you see what you've become? You are something worse than Deadpool. You are what Deadpool called you. A Slimemonster.
No.
Ready, Angel.
Let's do this, Sniper. Come on out, Jonathan.
Let's go.
Copy, Bendy, we need you. Joker is on the loose.
Gotham needs a hero.
I'm on my way!